Now, shifting over to Wednesday's report, so going from the consumer side to the producer side, we had the PPI, right? And again, PPI, Producer Price Index. And what this is tracking what prices companies are paying before the costs eventually get passed down to us, the customers. Now, heading into the report, markets were holding on to a small hope that the inflation pressures were finally starting to cool off. But what they got, once again, was the exact opposite, right? PPI in April rose over 1.4% month over month, when economists were expecting about 0.5%. So a big miss on that, as the report came in significantly hotter than what was anticipated. And again, this is that deviation from the expectation that we always talk about moves the market. On a yearly basis, producer inflation jumped to 6%, up from 4.3% previously. And the core PPI, again, taking out the food and the energy, also came in hot, rising 1% for the month, which was actually the strongest monthly increase since March of 2022. So overall, this report basically told the markets that inflation pressures are still hanging around and maybe even picking back up again. Speaking of, again, just like the core CPI, the numbers showed that this wasn't just kind of a one-off or one category type of issue. It was more broad spread around the economy. Service inflation, for example, jumped by 2.5%. And this is something that is looked at as being very sticky.